Huh.
Well, hey guys, Dane here at Jonah Guitars, and I've just decided to try a voiceover again. This is like my second attempt at this. So what's happening is just going to fast forward through some of this guitar case stuff, and I'm ripping some cardboard to create filler strips for under the foam because the styrofoam, because under next to the foam in the bottom of the case, there's a little channel that foam was kind of rocking down into. So I'm just filling in those recesses there. So we're going to fast forward through some of this stuff, and as we do that, I'm going to play some of this music that my son has recorded with a band he was in the past. The band was called Wasting June, and he's given me his permission to use some of this as backing tracks. And so we're going to do that. When I see something change up here, I will come back in and give you some more information. But as it is right now, we're just going to be cutting strips in, getting things sized up, and then kind of carving around and matching the foam so it all lays out good together.
Sit back, my friend.
guess I should have mentioned that my son was the guitar player in that band, and in that particular track, well, backing vocals and all the tracks on this particular disc. The what I'm doing here now, of course, is just covering up everything that I don't want to have spray glue on. And I'm going to go find some more footage right now.